China's first granular water-soluble fertilizer, Cocoa is exported to 46 countries. Hello everyone, this is Sunny. Today I came to the onions in Philippines, and these field onions use the cocoa. Next, let's look at together the cocoa's effect. Philippines farmers usually like the small onions. I want to interview our farmers. So this is our farmers. Hello, Mr. Friday.
Hello po.
I want to interview you. I found that in Philippines, the farmers really like the small onions. Can you explain the reason?
Ganito kasi yun, pag ang taniman ng sibuyas ay paulit-ulit na yan, at tinataniman ng sibuyas, nagiging acidic na yung lupa, kaya halos hindi na lumalaki yung yung sibuyas. Mahirap palagaan na, mahirap palikin.
Oh, okay, I see. So, this how many hectares how you plant, and these are all used the cocoa?
Yung lang, yung maihinang lupa lang, mga acidic lang, yun ang ginagamitan.
Only the land is acidic. Our Mr. Friday is using the cocoa. I want to know, how did you use the cocoa?
Unang-una, ginagamit ko ang kukuli bago magpasabog o magpatanim ng sibuyas. Binabasal po namin yun. Tapos pag tumubo na, nag-i-spray na po kami ng kukuli.
How many dosage?
Pag malilit pa lang yung sibuyas, dito sa atin yung lata. Isa lang muna. Kasi pag yung traditional na fertilizer, pag hindi na pag acidic na yung lupa, halos hindi na kinakain yung abono. Kaya kailangan gumamit ng kukuli para mapaganda yung tanim o para kainin yung ibang fertilizer siguro, ganun.
Why the cocoa has good effect? Because in 2030, we created this new category, and until now, we only focus on this one category for 40 years. Cocoa not only contains NPK, but also amino acids such as fish protein, polyglutamic acid, polyaspartic acid, and all kinds of nutrients helpful for bacteria. So it is comprehensive nutrients. So, Mr. Friday, are you satisfied with cocoa's effect?
Nasiyahan po ako. Kasi yung mga hindi ko napapalaki na sibuyas, pag gumamit ako ng kukuli ay gumaganda po yung pananim na sibuyas. Tatangkilikin ko po yung kukuli kasi lalo nga yung lagi nang natataniman yung lupa. Kailangan talaga yung kukuli para magpaganda yung pananim.
1, 2, 3, go. Kokoli, magaling.